Today we're going to install the front grille on this 2011 Chevy Silverado. Alright, we have the grille sitting right here. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 latching points. Just going to go ahead and set this right up here. And it should fall right into place. See it there? This has a little lip here. Just going to go over. Just go ahead and line everything up and just press it in. Make sure everything's lined up. That one already went in. Let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to need both hands to press this in. Alright, there it is. The grille is into place. Let's go ahead and put in the 4 bolts that go right on top. They're 10 millimeters. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And just make sure you secure all of it. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and put the cover back on. This little cow is going to sit right on top like that. And it's going to take, I believe, 8 retainer clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let's go ahead and put them all into place. Just go ahead and slip them in. Just like so. And then secure them down. And once you have them all locked, you're set. And that is how you install the grille on the 2011 Chevy Silverado. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.